Alexander Giuliani, 1247, August 26th. So these guys are, keep in mind, this technology is like a computer. It is a computer, brain computer interface, a BCI. And these implantable devices interact with computers. So what they could even do is they can even program receiving end stuff to firing patterns, and then even have an interaction where like a certain firing pattern could go off. It could set off, they could program it to when that firing pattern goes off, a cue goes off, or even their frame squad machine could be linked to it. So a firing pattern could go off, set off a cue, then also set off a frame squad device to fire an image at my mind, and then they could create a false association. They could program the back of the mind. Like, let's say when there's back of the mind, there's different forms of telepathy. So let's say a certain word shows up in the back of the mind telepathy, or this other form of telepathy. They could program some word to a cue or to a frame squad device when that word shows up, that frame squad implantable set off, and maybe an image too. And so they're doing that too. So their whole system's just a load of shit, and it's just created to harass me and assault me all day. So when are these terrorists going to prison? I mean, this is attempted murder. Why aren't they in a cage where terrorists and murderers and rapists belong? Praise Jesus. Oh, not to mention thieves, because they're also using this machine to assess gambling results. So they're trying to rob people in a gambling ring as well. Key point. So it's also a betting manipulation tactic.